Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to log in ChatGPT. So at first just go to Chrome or Google on your phone. Now search for chat.openai.com. So after searching, here you can see my ID is logged in. I'm going to log it out to show you guys how to log in. Here you can see two options here, login and sign up. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up, or if you have an account, you just need to log in here by clicking the login button. Here you need to put your email address. After giving your email address, just click on continue. Now you need to give your password here. After giving your password, just click on continue, the green button. So guys, this is how can you log in to ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.